There are several options for insulation when trying to build to Energy Star standards. In this house, it began before the basement was even poured. Rigid styrofoam insulation is used under the concrete slab and on the walls in the basement. This insulation helps reduce heat loss and provides another barrier against groundwater leakage. The insulation minimizes the freeze-thaw cycling of the foundation walls and floor. That reduces the potential for cracking, and a warmer foundation can reduce condensation. The U.S. Department of Energy says using this type of insulation can reduce heating bills by 10 to 20%. Polyurethane spray insulation is installed on the home's main level, attic, and basement knee walls. This type of insulation stops air infiltration and eliminates convective looping. That saves energy. The insulation is sprayed in place, sticking to oddly shaped surfaces. The spray insulation has a higher R value per inch than fiberglass batting. Blown fiberglass was added to the attic to further reduce heat loss. Polyurethane spray insulation does cost 2 to 3 times more than traditional fiberglass insulation. Insulated sheeting, a rigid foam board insulation, is placed on the outside of the house frame to add R value and structural support. This was used instead of OSB, or oriented strand board. Raising the heel height on the roof trusses allows for more room for insulation. Increasing the height from 4 inches to 7 3/4 inches offers extra space for a styrofoam air barrier at the heel. That means insulation can be pushed to the very edge. Additionally, waterproofing the outside of the foundation reduces the chance of mold, improving indoor air quality.
A lot of the places around the foundation, you get a lot of areas where you'll get little gaps and holes that will get left behind. Up along the top of the wall, the roof area, along the eaves, that's a very common place for air to be leaking into your home.
When you can put a blanket of insulation around, instead of simply filling gaps with insulation, that is in essence how to get everything you can out of R value. The other thing that needs to be said is when there is that blanket that's around the house, you've done nearly everything you can as far as slowing down that infiltration.